Oh no, this product is out of stock. But wait, here is the button for notify me. So this is my mail and yeah, notify me when available. Oh wow, this product becomes available. So let me purchase it. This video is related to how to send a notification to customer related to the availability of products which was out of stock earlier. So what you have to do, you just have to go for apps. So we have searched a good app for you. You just have to search the notify me. Just enter. So you will find a app related to it which was also free. And if you want more details or more features, you can purchase the started package or also you can go with the standard. So you just have to install. After installation, you just have to go to app and here you will see the options which you want to activate. You can activate all these options and as I already activated it, so it's not showing here. So I have just activated the back in stock. You can also activate others as well. So it is very easy. This is the first step. Now when you activate it, your app is fully ready. So now we have to just test it by making any product out of stock. So we are going to decrease the availability of product, or you can say that taking a product out of stock. So in products, I'm going to pick this and going to test on it. Now I am going to make this product the availability 0 of each product. You can also simply set it to 0 and we are going to save it. Now in the preview, we are going to search the product. You will see this product becomes out of stock, that sold out, and below that here is also option which is given by the app. So when customer will click on this button and customer will fill the email and click the button. So after that, when it becomes available, the customer will get the email. Let me also show you that. Now the product is available as we have increased the quantity. So we are going to save it. So here you can see that we got an email that this product is available. So using this process, you can do this easily and increase your sale. So this is all about. Thank you.